Now if you know what a Stream Deck Plus is, or you don't know what Stream Deck Plus is, I'm here to tell you, it's the streaming. That's what it was designed for. It's just to control stuff on your computer. And because my DSP is a computer, I thought I could control stuff on it. And this one's probably been out a year or so, and I never really took much notice of it. Because all the Stream Decks before just had square buttons, like more buttons, less buttons.
I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, pretty sexy, right? Good idea and everything. But I'm getting a little bit grumpy. It's only thing it had to do was perform as MIDI. And so far I haven't been able to install it, so I'm a bit grumpy. So eventually this might stay, might go. This could probably definitely go once this gets fired up. It's got just about basically the same height. So it'll be all pretty pictures and buttons going on there. And maybe I'll have my drink holder back, but who knows. So you can stack many controls on each fader. You can have many pages of faders. You can have pretty pictures. Don't even know why I'm talking about it until I get it working. It still threw up a few errors, but it's actually doing something. Well, it was doing something. Let's see, unable. It's going further. Come on, you can do it. Holy balls. Let's go, come on. You'll be going back in that shipping box if you don't work. Be back. Whee! I now have dials and stuff. Let's see, dials. MIDI dials. Let's plump one on here. We'll get rid of system volume and we'll put a generic MIDI dial on there. See what happens. There we go. Are you sure? Yes, I would. Yes, absolutely. MIDI dial. Hey, welcome to Stream Deck MIDI plugin. You know I'm not going to read this, right? Okay. Anyway, it's on the film. On the camera now. Let's see what we've got here.